Hello, Education 555. I hope you had a great long Memorial Day weekend. Let's check out our next module, Module 3. So we'll head to Content, and Module 3 is Issue and Trend Position Development. Let's check it out. This week's essential question is, what do you believe? We're going to be using your personal position statement to check out some current issues and trends in education. So let's look at it. Required reading. For this week, you'll finish up reading Building 2.0, How to Create the Schools We Need. Check out these pages here, and you'll also do some reading based on your chosen topic. And let's talk about that here in a little bit here. Additional resources. These are the topics that I would like you to pick from for your personal position statement. So these are a start to your research. They're springboards to further study. Your personal position statement should include research that you've done on your own. It can also include some of this research too, but I want you to really dig into your topic and do your own research as well. So these are the topics to pick from for this week for the personal position statement: standards-based grading, parental involvement, student home life, pay for performance, and response to intervention. And I've got resources here for you to check out for that. The first discussion. Now that you've read the second part of Building School 2.0, what do you think? What points are resonating with you? What points do you disagree with? Make sure that you are reflective and substantive. Use references to the reading and include your personal experience. You do need to include at least one reference in APA format in your post, but you do not need to include a citation at the end of your response. Your initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight, and responses to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. 3.2 is the personal position statement. Education is filled with different beliefs, and we know that by working in education. Everybody knows what they believe about education, or at least shares what they believe. What I would like you to do is to develop a statement that reflects your personal position on a specified issue or trend. Those are those 5 topics that I just shared with you. It was the paper for performance, response to intervention, student home life. All right, you'll be writing 3 of these, and you'll pick the issue trend you'd like to use for each. This is the first of the 3. So your statement must briefly summarize the issue or trend, recognize opposing viewpoints, state your own personal position, incorporate statements from your mission statement, vision, and creed. This is important. That's why we wrote those our first week, because I want you to incorporate that and how you think about this trend. Contain data or research to support your position. So check out these questions for each category. It's going to kind of guide you through what to write for each category. Notice that this is due on Saturday night at midnight. You will upload your personal position statement here as an assignment, and you will also share it as a discussion response. So you upload it to this assignment by Saturday at midnight, and then basically you copy and paste it into the next discussion response by Saturday at midnight. And this is the rubric. You can check that here. I also want you to be aware that I put several samples in the course information section of past personal position statements. You can check out some examples there. Okay, so you're going to do this statement, and you are going to upload it to this assignment first by Saturday at midnight, and then you're going to copy and paste it into this forum by Saturday at midnight, and you're going to respond to 2 other people by Sunday at midnight. So the 3 assignments are your discussion on Building 2.0, post by Wednesday at midnight, respond by Sunday at midnight, do your personal position statement by Saturday at midnight and put it to this assignment, copy and paste it to this discussion by Saturday at midnight, and respond to 2 others by Sunday at midnight. And then we have the questions anyone there as well. Reminder that there are the exemplars in the course information section as well. Please let me know if you need any help with anything, and I look forward to another great week. Thanks, everybody.